Ining Jo Acholi. Welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi. Jackline Ikang court. One segment with Kwan Leb Acholi. Today we are reading on Palio. Palio is a subclan from Pajok, focusing on Pajok Lacuc. So Palio is towards the right territories of Pajok. And today we'll be covering Palio. It's a very brief reading. After this reading, I will jump into also recording on Kapa. Okay, matek. If you are from Palio, please join this live. Send us a message, comment, like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, our YouTube is Chaka Leb Acholi, and our official Facebook page is also Chaka Leb Acholi. Atia Bene Iwiyamo on Facebook. My personal Facebook is Chaka Ikang South Sudan. Please follow me on all of those platforms. Matek, so you can stay up to date with all of the content. Okay, on Acholi. Acholi me South Sudan, present day South Sudan, and Acholi me present day Uganda. But right now, the main focus is on Acholi Guinea me Sudan, the present day South Sudan. And also looking at migration paths, Magidana getting Uganda, South Sudan. Okay. Eventually, I hope to find some literature, research information on Acholi, me Uganda, and tapping into that community and reading and sharing that with you guys on this platform. But at the moment, we're focusing on Acholi, me Sudan, or present-day South Sudan, even though some of them had migrated into Uganda or present-day Uganda and came back into Sudan or South Sudan. Okay. We're focusing on Kwanabupa Satunino Nyala, Lominga, the Kwarapa Acholi South Sudan. Later, I'm going to find other texts that I will be reading and sharing with you all before my time. So I better follow me Pajok. I took a Pajok Lacuc maybe a couple of weeks ago. Pajok Lacuc. Pajok Lacuc. My sister boy told me I'm pronouncing it wrong. That I should say Pajok Lacuc, not Pajok Lacuc. Pajok Lacuc. And I'm supposed to say Pajok Lacuc, not Pajok Lacuc. Anyways, boy, thank you for that clarification. So I better got the subgroups me Pajok Lacuc, well Pajok Lacuc, mana ok e Palio. Okay. The war Kwana Lokmingo, Jo Bobby, before that Jo Paitenge, Jo Momi, Pajok Lacuc. Martina Kwana Palio Kapa. So tomorrow Monday, Akwana Dong clan tour, subclan tour, which is Patanga. Me Patanga, that part of me Patanga, okay? Mom, part of me a ball, I feel look your ball maybe a couple of months now. Mana be on Akwana Patanga, where I'm from, where my dad is from, okay? If you're from Palio, please join, share with your friends, your family, your community. If anything that I'm reading today is incorrect or inconsistent, please drop your comments under this video or send me a private message. If you'd like to be a guest, please also send me a private message or leave me a video with this video recording. Okay? I'm not going to waste too much time. I'm going to jump right into it. Okay? Okay, Apwoyo. I don't know look me Palio. La chojo choni ngo look me Palio. Ningo gang Palio tigi doc ot Martino a dick. Man gina ye Pi-Woco Pi-Woco, Pocaa, gi Pogili. Does that sound correct? Please, we'll drop comments too. Gange ngone gini. Pi-Woco, Pocaa, gi Pogili. If that's correct, we'll drop comments too. Please like, comment, share. And excuse me, Kwan Maraj. Thank you. Yala, la chuji choning or look me Pi-Woco, wala Woco, gi Pocaa. Ningo, take war mi Pajok watching Jo Pi-Woco, gi Jo Pocaa, gina ye wiki Pajo mi Palio. Ento lo diro mi Pajok, ma obedo ka penyogin pilok kom gang mi Palio. Gin pengil ka majo Pi-Woco ki Pocaa obino ki ie. Dok gin bene pengil lok ango ma wehodano mi Pi-Woco gi Pocaa o awa ki I kabedo megi mi achiel. Mede kom man lo diro mi Pajok peng yinyo moha I think he means pengeo. Okay, lo diro mi Pajok pengeo moha majo Pi-Woco ki Pocaa obino kwede I Pajok. Okay. Gin bene pengeo nying la dit ma okelo dok ot man ario I Pajok. Okay, so lo diro Acholi wala mi Pajok palingeo. Gibino wene, gibino giyokanye. Gigu maraj, Lwen pa John Gering di mabio o Pocaa wako gi Captain Paul lo tiep madana omaro lungo ni koko. Mi Palio ena ye onongo ma tuero wajabodwa nyobora log duchu madok ikom Palio. Okay. Now regarding lokom Pogili, la chuju choning okom Pogili, ni te kwar pa chuli wajani, dana mi Pogili obino gi I logolo munutie I Obbo, okay, or present day Obbo. Nin chalo dana man o dak I Pajok I karma luak mi Pajok dong tie I dok kulu atebi ikin moha apar bong wen gi piera dek we bichel we apar bong wen gi piera ngwen. Ento gino a gi dok ot mene gi Obbo wan pe wangyo dok lok ma okelo gini Pajok wan pe wangyo mabe. Pe piman keken wan bene pe wangyo nying la dit ma otero luak mi Pogili I Pajok. Okay. Lokman duchu miro o yin is second edition your church mi ario mi book man. Ikarma jo Pogili o I Pajok gino chiro o gero kom jo Pi-Woco ki Jo Pocaa man a ye look ma o we o tin dano mi Pogili o dogo dok ora chill I Palio. Okay, what do you think? Drop your comments. Ka would me Palio? Who take information about Palio? Please drop your comments under this video. Or if you would like to be a guest in a mall so we can discuss. Kama ubino gie, look me take water too. Ubino gi kanyi mo manu donyo di Pajok nini. Njala Jo Pogili mi Palio, unu ubino gi Obbo udonyo I Pajok. ikin mo hangoni 1936 ki 1940. Ubinu your bob ping ngamo kelawun idi Pajok at that time. So information la charge one pay kide. Ni miro ibi chwa book edition number 2. Nya edition mi area mi book any log mi ngote kwara Acholi wala te kwara mi Acholi mi South Sudan. Edition mi area. Hopefully he's hoping nigina ibi chwa more information about Jo Palio. I book mi area. Okay. Anka biti ko kwana book any abi yenyo the second edition. I made an more change what new information tea, especially come look me gang more on your subclan more ma bad known information your end board known information I book any peche. And then any subgroup more will a subclan more information it limited. Either 1 or 2 paragraphs, basically just saying one ko information pay bad known amo mi lo get it lokum jo gang and higini. Your dogola any guinea. Okay. Yalla. Moving on to team got mi Palio. La jojo chone ngoni kanye. Jo Palio piregi team kari bet Latino Palio mo kene wachone team Pajula man team Maggie. Ento wabero kaneno malo kany. Wanongone team Pajula man team Pajo Paitenge. Nyo Paitenge. Okay. Dana mi Palio tiegi doc. I'm sorry. Dana mi Palio tiegi got a chill. Mana ye got Lakima. Nyo got ngor. Got ngor. Will ngor. Leave your comments. Kagin tiegi Jok magi luongo Jok Labwor. Will Labwor. Jok Labwor. Will Jok Labwor. Matie ikom God, Lakima. What does that mean? Who drop your comments, okay? And on when it'll look Palio, okay? Information at limited doc or the gina dick Martino. Pi-Woco, Pocaa, gi Pogili. Okay? Pogili gi bini Obbo. But give being your ball, they don't know a specific year and the reason why. Give Donyo a Pajok between 1936 and 1940. Okay. There wasn't enough information. Why? Because the Karma researcher ogdong information mi Palio, mi racholo kum Palio, Chaka researcher kum Palio, monyo tie, nyanya around nyanya 2 gumonone. La charge any tia yenya information more mitima research and especially come Jo gang mi Palio bondong dano poke dano ringa. So beso berka chokani dano mo mi no ne ginge ko lok mi Palio la dimo no ne yani no ngeo mi Palio no mi repenyo ne ben bono mo nyo kera dano. Okay, and mind you la charge ben no be better displaced at some point it'll be Chirowi, Australia. Okay. Yalakom Jo mi Pi-Woco will Pi-Woco gi Pocaa information been pay ya. Okay. Gi bino gi kanji okenyo ni longeoko. Jo Pajok ni. Okay, we'll drop your comments. Yala, give big team. Give big team, like can get a claim team Pajo Paitenge. Jomo bino under la did Jula. Jo Paitenge. Team 2. Like in do, ningo Jo Palio tia claim ni munu bene team 2. Remember at some point, like Georgia Birka Wajaningo. Ikaramo madano biruka settling back at the present day Southern Sudan ko yang ngom gini madit. Ikaramo jumo settle on one side of ngom, ne. Jumo kono been settle on the other side of ngom me. Gingeoko ni gin mo kon in a community mo kineti on the same land or on the same territory. So ginong gi chao claim ni munungam tugi nyo team tugi. Gingeoko ni dana mo ben no present on the other side of the same ngom. Okay, so I wonder if this is the case between Palio and Paitenge. Ginwari wangitia claiming Timi Pajula, Paladil Jola, Mokil Jo Paitenge. Okay, Pingo Jo Palio tia claim Wampa John in your team, you can even team to be. Is it possible Ginwangi settle on this piece of land? Please drop your comments, King you any more information about Jo Palio and Jo Paitenge and why it claim Tima Chel. Poor. You know, Ningoni. You take a god a chill alone, Lakima. You're alone, God more. Okay, King, you drop your comments, okay? Jo chill, take a alone, Jok Labwor, will a Labwor. Drop your comments, King, you. Jok Labwor, Matie, come God, Lakima, and God get Jok. Juma, you will look me Jok, getting it, God, and the God, could you got Lakima? Okay, we'll drop your comments. What do you think? Reading on Palio is very short. If you're from Palio, please drop your comments, send me a DM. Join me on this platform. This is a learning platform. That's an Acholi community. It's just to learn and grow, maybe so that Lotini to have been giving and move Acholi forward. Being that, one midwa provide information and history to the community. Okay, guide me, Palia, please. Send me a message. Matek. Okay, reading em knock again, man. I'm reading em knock this or Johnny information about doing Palia. Yan, we can more chat to research the Palio, and Munti and Yanya Tuti at Tima. Dano Kera, or Gini Dano Kura, like what be done, okay? We'll drop your comments. Okay? Thank you again. Chaka Leb Acholi segment with Kwan Leb Acholi, session 50, reading on Pajok Lacuc. Not Lacuc, but Lacuc, reading on Palio. Okay, I'm Jackline Ikang of Court. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel and on Facebook. On both YouTube and Facebook. And my Facebook is my personal Facebook where I share content about South Sudan, Africa, Gawang, Acholi. It's Jackline Ikang, South Sudan. Okay, I'll go about that. Okay, stay tuned. Man, I'm going to jump back on and talk about Kapa. Okay. I don't know much about Kapa, but my son's father is from Kapa. I will read a little bit about Kapa. Maybe one day I will ask that community to join us to discuss Lukmi Kapa and Palio. Okay? Apwoyo matek. Okay, guys, have a good night.